talking about the homework A and homework B. Homework A is for orientation. It's going to teach you how you're going to answer the questions on MyLab in the homework or tests or quizzes. It's very important. Go through that for sure before everything else. And then the homework B is about pre-calculus, and it's going to show you your background. If you are good at solving questions in pre-calculus homework B, then you are really ready to take this course. If you have difficulties, then it shows that you should really work on this a lot more, on your background, pre-calculus part. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. But the book has, MyLab has resources to practice on your own as well. Solving inequalities, solving equations, properties of logarithms, exponential functions, etc., etc. Graphing, all this sort of stuff that you really need in this class, you can work on this on MyLab. Okay, there's a study plan. You can go in there and you can study, you can practice in your free times. Otherwise, if your background isn't fixed, then it is difficult for you to get a good grade in this class. Okay, background is important, and you can practice it actually. As I'm going to show you, I showed this week to students how they are going to use MyLab and how solve the questions. Actually, I allowed you guys to use the Help Me Solve It feature, which it is going to help you step by step. Okay, even if you don't know how to start, MyLab is going to help you how to start and how to proceed. It's really nice. Okay, it's a nice feature. But Pearson doesn't respond right now. It's really annoying to me. Let me choose another browser. Maybe another browser may help.
Teacher, can I say something?
Sure, go ahead.
What is the deadline for the homework one?
The deadline is end of October. So I'm going to give the homework monthly. So you're going to have, I'm going to assign weekly, but you're going to have 4 weeks to complete it at the end of each month. Okay? So you have for the homework 1, and I'm going to give homework 2 this at the end of this week. So yeah, but for the homework, homework is important, as I told you. Problems for the quizzes and tests, etc., are going to come from there. So please make sure that you pay attention. Okay, I'm just responding some more activities here.
Also, I have a problem with one of the examples on the book. Can we solve it on risk taking?
Sure.
Or
of course, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, you can write it on the paper and share it through the chat.
Through the mail.
Also. No, chat. You can just send it through the chat. If you have a picture of it.
Yeah, I know, I have.
Yeah, just share it through the chat, and we will just start from there. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, teacher.
Go ahead.
Just if I'm going to purchase MyLab today, I'm going to receive the code about Monday, right?
Yes, Monday or Tuesday, because it takes a couple of days. They say. I mean, they said one day, but I think some students receive it a little bit later.
Okay, so yeah, it's better if I purchase it today or Monday.
Maybe they are going to send it tomorrow. I don't know. They said just 24 hours. But some students' experience show that it's more than 20 hours. So I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
But they said 24 hours.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Elif Aslan has a question. She says, I'm entering summer 2020 homework from LMS. There are 7 PDFs, but we haven't seen some topics yet. Will we solve the homework when we see them? No. Elif Aslan, this summer 2020 homework belongs to the summer school. Okay, I just put them in case, I mean, later on, maybe if you want to look at them, you can look at them, but this is just extra. Okay, you're not really, you don't have to do anything on there.
Sorry, I can't see homework A and homework B.
Really?
Yes, I
Did you
can
not register, or did you register late, or what is going on?
I registered, but I can't see. Just I can see summer 2020 homeworks.
No. Is that Elif Su talking?
Yes, I'm.
Elif Su, you're not gonna see homework A, homework B on LMS. Everything, all of the homework is on MyLab.
Okay, you will send.
No, I'm not going to send. You're gonna log into MyLab, and you're gonna see it in there.
Okay.
Did you register for MyLab? Did you get the?
Yes.
Okay. So probably, if you registered for MyLab, when you log in, you should see it.
Okay, teacher.
Check it out, okay? If you have any problems, let me know.
Okay, thank you.
I'm still getting people's trying to get in here.
Teacher,
Okay.
may I have a question?
Sure, please.
Okay, teacher, when you put some homeworks in MyLab, do you put it in the assignment tab, or we just have to get in and look for it ourselves, or we will find it in the assignment tab? Which one?
That's right. Assignments you should be able to see it in the assignments, because I actually, when I'm doing it, I do it through assignments. So you should see it in there. Yeah, aren't you seeing it?
I'll try to log in now, but when I have to do the homework online, or I have to do it in a paper and send it to you through email?
That's a good question. Just to say, you are going to do it online plus on a piece of paper, okay? The reason is your hands needs to get used to writing math, and I need to see your writing in math, because solving on the screen is just, you can easily guess the correct answer, blah blah, but you won't be able to show your work. In high school, you were not required to show your work as much, but at the university, you have to show your work. You have to show how you did it, what was your thinking. Okay, so I need to see your handwriting, the solution, the work you go through. So I definitely ask you to write the solutions down in order, like solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, etc. On a piece of paper. You're going to use free scanner on your cell phones, and you're going to scan it in one PDF. Homework 1 in one PDF, and then upload on LMS though. Okay, we don't have
and upload it and send it to you by email.
No emails. I don't want emails. I want you guys to upload on LMS, because emails, I have 220 students. I cannot handle it.
Okay, so which part do we have to upload it in the LMS? Which part in LMS do we have to upload the PDF?
Yeah, so I'm going to remind you about it today. I'm going to write an email about the homework in details. Okay, follow my emails today, and then already put some homework. I'm going to show it to you here. Okay, let me share it to you how you're going to upload. Okay, let me show it to you. I'm going to open up the LMS and then show it to you here.
Okay, not a problem.
That's a good. It's good that you asked me that question, because last time I showed it in one of my sections because they asked about that. It was good.
Okay, that's mean I did not see that video in YouTube.
Say it again.
That's mean I did not see that video in YouTube. That's mean I did see another one from another section.
That's right. Because some sections ask different questions, and some recordings could be different. And I put them online in the morning, so even if you wouldn't be able to see it.
Yeah, that's right.
I put it in the morning.
That's right.
But I'm going to show you here because I want you guys to understand it. If you don't understand, you're not going to do it.
That is true.
Yes. Here. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to try Pearson one more time here. Pearson, what's going on with the Pearson? I don't know. Okay, anyways, I'm going to show you LMS first. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share it. But before I do, there are some. For some reason, I press on the wrong button, and I plus. Going to first check the activity because still there are some students coming in. Okay. Okay, so you're also discussing about this the opening in the morning. I mean, face-to-face classes. Are you discussing about that? Yes. Yeah, I see that on the chat you are discussing about face-to-face classes, right? Okay. On Monday, you're not going. There is no face-to-face classes yet. Okay, they can announce when it is ready. I don't think it's gonna be happening this semester. I don't think so. But again, we wouldn't know. I got a question about that.
Teacher.
Okay, go ahead.
I did hear that in this semester we will not have face-to-face classes. Maybe we will have to go to university in the exam of this semester, but we will have face-to-face classes just by the beginning of the second semester if the corona give us the chance. Is it like this, or there is a new thing that I did not hear about?
That's right. That's right. You're right. I think that's the best. I mean, that's better than having the classes soon. I think that's a good thing to have it in the second semester because everybody just plan their lives. They cannot reorganize.
Yeah. In this generation, we are like computers.
What do you mean?
In this generation, we are like computers. If we program ourselves to do something, we can't deny that thing, and we can't try to change it in just a slip moment. We have to go.
Because the reason is we are dealing with complicated plans, so you cannot rearrange these plans immediately, right? I mean, computers working on hard problems you are doing.
Yeah, and you have your personal problems too. You can just change it like this.
That's right. That's right. You're definitely right. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So definitely. I'm going to go in there. So this is my LMS. Okay, this is our class, Math 101, Fall 2020. There are some explanations here. For the registration, you can, registration for the teams, you can find it here. I should also put the, for the recitation here. I don't have it here. This is just for the sections. I'm going to put it in there. And the syllabus is here, and the hours and days and recitation times are in here.
Teacher, what about the registration? What about it?
This registration is for the teams, by the way. Like the teams that we meet, I formed some teams like this one.
Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3, I think.
Did you register for it?
I think I'm in the whole team, I think.
No, I'm not talking about the mailing list. These are teams that...
Not chat, teams, right? Teams.
Yes, teams for the virtual class.
Yeah, I'm in the chats and I'm in the teams. I think so.
But be careful, recitation is different than the regular class.
What is the difference?
For the recitation, it's just recitation Friday and Thursday. You have to register separately. For the section, I mean, for the virtual class, we have 4 hours a week. You have to register in one of these. Section 1 student, Section 2 student, Section 3 student. Which one are you?
I'm in Section 3. I have 3 teams of Math 113 Fall 2020, and Math 101 Recitation Fridays and Math 101 Recitation Thursdays. I have
Okay.
these 3 teams.
That's okay. You want to go into both of the recitations? You can if you want.
Yeah, I'm just taking both of them because sometimes I have a lot of questions. Sometimes I don't have.
Okay. Just give me 1 sec. My phone is ringing. I have to respond. Okay, Berna want to say something, I guess, right? Go ahead, Berna.
Teacher, morning. I tried to enter section link for section 2, but it is not opening.
Why did you want to enter today or to section 2?
I can find the link in email and
You wanted to register?
Yes.
And it didn't allow you to register?
Yes.
Interesting. Okay, that's new to me. Try maybe some other time because it should work.
Okay.
You are gonna just you are using my email, right? The email that I send you about section 1, section 2, section 3 registration for the teams, right?
Yes.
Try it again. If it repeats, then let me know, okay, Berna?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Maybe something else was happening at that time. I don't know. Okay. About the homework, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna share. Okay, just a sec. Okay, I was talking about this.
Teacher,
Okay, so
may I say something?
Go ahead.
For the exam, Türkçe sorabilir miyim hocam?
Tabii.
Sınavda mesela sorunun cevabını doğru yazdık ama istediğiniz formatta değil. Atıyorum mesela x üzeri 5 bölü 2 yazmamızı istediniz. Biz kök x üzeri 5 yazdık. Bu durumda puan alamıyor muyuz? Yoksa
Okay,
çünkü
that's a good question. That's a good, I understand. Tuba, is that you? Okay, Tuba.
Yes.
Yeah. A student emailed me about that, and I sent an answer to him, and I thought that I copied to everybody, but probably I didn't. Anyways, let me explain it to you. The reason I want you to send the solutions, I know that MyLab has this feature, like there's some certain, that's why you have to do the orientation. Orientation tells you how you should be writing the answer in which format, okay? Because this is a computer thing, right? And math has different ways of expressing itself. Therefore, for example, sometimes you would want to write square root of x as like square root of an x, or sometimes you would write it in powers term, like x to the 1 over 2. And the question is, MyLab accepts both or just one of them? Okay. Okay, just a sec.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. All right. My kids are taking classes here too, so it's just kind of mixed up. Okay. Let me explain it to you. As I said, MyLab has, because the reason that I'm asking you to send the solutions in writing, I'm going to give you partial credits, even if MyLab doesn't accept your solution, okay? So it's very important that you should write it to me. Write the solutions on a piece of paper and send it to me, okay? So that I can go through and correct grade, okay? For the homework, by the way, especially for the quiz and tests, I'm going to look at your solutions and correct your grade. For the homework, I will try to do that as much as I can, because homework is kind of not included in the grade, right? You know that this is extra bonus. So I may not, if I don't have enough time, I'm going to correct as many students as possible, but sometimes I'm not going to have enough time. And if my TA helps me, then I will be able to correct all the homework grades. But definitely for the quiz and tests and the final, I'm going to go through all of your solutions and correct them, correct your grade, because I know my lab has this unfortunately situation where it doesn't understand all of the expressions. Okay, it gets almost all of it, but sometimes it doesn't understand some expressions. For example, instead of if the answer is 1.05, and if you write 1.05, 1, 2, 3, etc., maybe it's not going to recognize as much. Okay, so there are things like that on my lab. That's the reason I want you to write it down, your solutions, scan it as one PDF and upload it on LMS. That's very important for us. Okay, can I continue now? About any other questions?
Yes, one question. That's for the homework I upload to the LMS, but for the quizzes and exam and test, are we going?
You are gonna also upload on LMS. I'm gonna put folders in there so that you can upload there.
Okay. And are we going to get the quiz from also my math lab, or are you
That's
going
right.
to send
No.
us on
Everything
LMS
is
also?
on my lab. Everything will be
Okay.
on my lab. You're gonna solve it on a piece of paper. Whatever you do for the homework, you're gonna do for the quizzes too. You're gonna take the quiz on my lab. You're gonna write it on a piece of paper, scan it as one PDF file, upload it on my on LMS. I'm sorry, on LMS
Exams?
folder.
How can we do exams?
Okay.
Maybe I can ask my lab people, the representative publisher, if there's a place that you can upload, but I don't think so. I've been using this my lab since 15 years or something. I'm using in my classes. They didn't have this feature, but if they have this feature, maybe there could be a folder I can put on my lab and you can upload, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, LMS is the best. So you're going to upload, just forget about my lab, uploading my lab, upload LMS. Okay, let's fix it because my lab, I don't think they have that feature. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. Okay, uploading is going to be on LMS. Okay, so here you can find the lectures given by myself. Let's see, go down. These are lectures. You can see the recordings, first week recordings on LMS. These are summer 2020 lecture notes. Here you can find fun and informative part. You can find it's good for if you want to have fun in calculus, you can go in there. And I have fall 2019 handwritten lecture notes and summer book slides belonging to Stewart. So I'm going to put here second weeks of recordings as well, and also I'm going to put the book slides for Thomas's calculus. Okay, here you're going to find it. And what's next? I'm going to find a homework. Okay, let's see. Okay, next homework. So I click in here. Okay, can you follow, or still there's a delay? Probably there's a delay. Okay, if you see the homework page here, do you see the homework page now?
Yes, we can see.
Yes.
Okay, on top you're gonna see summer 2020 Math 101 homework. Don't worry about that. This is for the summer school that has passed. Okay. Underneath, maybe I can just put it underneath anyways. Fall 2020 homework 1 submission here, fall 2020 homework 2 submission. So you're gonna submit here. How would you submit? Okay, let me change my switch my role to student. Okay, in your case, you're going to see it like this, switch role to student. Yeah, let me become a student now, okay? So let's say you are in here, homework 1 submission. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
So what you're going to do, you're going to upload your PDFs. So it says add submission. You're going to click on there, and then you're gonna just drag your file here. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. You're gonna drag it, and then you're gonna just save changes, and it should save it there. Okay, nothing was submitted, it said, because I didn't do anything. But that's all to it. So you don't have to do anything else. You just submit your homework 1 here, like that. Is this clear?
Clear. Teacher,
Okay, go ahead.
is this our first homework?
Yeah, this first homework. You're not expected to submit homework A and homework B here. Homework A is orientation about MyLab. You have to submit it on MyLab. Homework B is about pre-calculus. You have to just submit it on MyLab. You don't have to write it down on a piece of paper. But if you want to write it down on a piece of paper, you can if you like, and share it with me. But it's not. I mean, you can do it or not. It's up to you. Okay.
Homework 1, I have to do it, and 2.
What's that?
I have to do homework 1 and 2 and submit it in LMS.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Homework 1, homework 2, homework 3, and in each time you have a different folder to submit to on LMS. Homework 1, yeah, folder is different. Homework 2 folder is different. Okay, let me accept some people in here. I think they are still waiting outside. Let me do that. Okay, I accepted Özgür and Berna now. Okay, so you guys, if you want to, you can actually be in both of the recitations if you have time. You can be coming in both if you like. I don't mind about that. Okay, because it's just solving problems twice, or maybe some different problems, because sometimes I'm gonna solve different problems in a section. It is the reason for that is a student would ask different questions, right? I'm gonna take questions from you guys and I'm gonna answer that. So so it's up to you, or you can just follow the recordings if you cannot make it to one of the two, because I'm gonna put the recordings online as well. I just put the recordings online so you can get to them. And I have the channel. You see that my channel, right? Do you see my channel now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I put all this Learn Calculus Fast lecture notes here. I mean, they may not be in ordered, but you should look at the files, file names, and the file names contains the date, the section. For example, this one, it shows 14/10/2020. It means 14th of October, section 1, part 3. It's because it just took me a couple of parts to record it for some reason. Sometimes the internet drops down and it just re-records or starts from recording from the beginning. Okay, so what else I want to show you here? Pearson doesn't open up, and I don't know why. I'm gonna email them about that. It doesn't open. Sometimes it makes this weird. I wanted to solve some questions on that. Actually, I wanted to solve some math problems on MyLab. Yeah, somebody had questions, right? We can also work on that. Did you send it? Did you send it on the chat? Is it Ahmet or?
Yeah, I'm just telling you, maybe you can try to get to Pearson by Chrome, Google Chrome.
I'm on Google Chrome actually.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm on Google Chrome, and then I tried Edge, but it's similar. Let's see. I mean, I have to remember. I didn't. Okay. Just a sec. By the way, I have to end the class 5 minutes before, I mean, we have 4 minutes. I have to leave now. I had a phone call. I have to deal with it. Sorry about that. What you could do is you can maybe watch the recording we had yesterday, recitation. We solved a couple of questions in there. And if you don't have any other questions, I have to leave. Is it okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Ali Badran, what do you mean? The videos are lagging. Can you try to record videos without
Yeah,
meetings?
like they are
Is it?
meetings, yeah, and they are still lagging.
Oh,
Like if you can just record a lecture and upload it, and if you have any questions, we can make a meeting. That's better.
yeah,
I
we
think.
can do that too. Yeah, that's a good idea actually.
Yeah.
By another program like OBS, for
Yeah, I'm using OBS. I can do that.
Yeah, yes, please. Thanks.
Okay, let's do that. That's good idea. Okay. Okay, see you next week. Okay, take good care and study hard. Work on the homework. If you have any questions, send me. Bye-bye. Let me get the attendance, by the way.
See you, teacher.
راحت.